Every once in a while a tech product appears that instantly hijacks the internet. Not because of loud marketing, but because people genuinely can't understand what they're seeing. That's exactly what's happening right now with two upcoming innovations shaking the action camera and drone worlds. One is a rumored powerhouse action camera from Insta360, and the other is a flying camera so strange, it feels like it's breaking the rules of reality. Let's start with the Insta360 Ace Pro 3, a camera that hasn't even been officially announced yet, but is already creating serious buzz across the tech community, based on leaks, industry chatter, and Insta360's recent strategy. This next-gen action camera could redefine what premium action cameras are capable of. The Ace Pro 2, launched in October 2024, is still selling extremely well thanks to its 8K video recording and Leica co-engineered lens that delivered excellent color accuracy and image clarity. Because of that success, Insta360 appears to be playing the long game. Originally expected in late 2025, recent signs now point to a delayed launch, possibly landing somewhere between mid and late 2026, instead of rushing a replacement. Insta360 extended the life of the Ace Pro 2 by releasing special editions and videography-focused bundles, making it clear they don't want to hurt existing sales too early. This delay may actually work in their favor. Competition is another key reason behind this strategy. DJI recently released the Osmo Action 6 with a large sensor and variable aperture, yet surprisingly capped it at 4,000 recording. Right now, no major brand offers a true next-generation 8K traditional action camera, giving Insta360 plenty of breathing room. When the Ace Pro 3 finally arrives, it's rumored to come with a higher price tag between $549 and $599, a big jump from the Ace Pro 2's $399 launch price. But that premium could be justified. Leaks suggest a larger 1-inch 50-megapixel Leica-tuned sensor, true 8000 recording at 30 fps with HDR or log profiles, 4K at 120 fps and 10-bit color, improved flow state stabilization, advanced AI tools, stronger audio, better battery life, faster charging, and a more rugged modular design. If even half of these rumors are true, the Ace Pro 3 could easily become the most advanced action camera ever made. But while Insta360 is quietly preparing its next move, something even crazier has already gone viral. Meet the Anti-Gravity One, a flying camera that doesn't behave like a traditional drone at all. This is the world's first drone built entirely around an 8K 360-degree camera, and that single design decision changes everything. Instead of worrying about framing, camera direction, or missed angles, the one captures everything around it. You simply fly, and later choose any angle you want during editing, forward, backward, down, sideways, or even toward yourself. This is why creators are calling it a cheat code. Beginners love how stable and forgiving it feels. FPV pilots are shocked that it delivers FPV-style visuals without FPV skills. Travel vloggers are obsessed because one flight gives them both vertical and horizontal shots, perfectly framed afterward. The experience feels less like piloting a machine and more like exploring a space. Of course, it's not perfect. Battery life is average. 8K 360 footage requires a powerful computer, and stitching can struggle with water or close objects. Traditional cinematic shooters may still prefer DJI's color science and depth control. But that doesn't change the fact that the Anti-Gravity One represents a generational shift. DJI clearly sees what's coming. Leaks already suggest that. DJI is preparing its own response, possibly blending FPV speed with 360 freedom. If DJI can match this creative flexibility while maintaining their legendary stability, the drone industry could change faster than anyone expects. Right now, the Anti-Gravity One stands as one of the most exciting drone releases in years, and when paired with the upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 3, it's clear that we're entering a new era, one where freedom, creativity, and choice matter more than rigid control. Welcome to the future of cameras, and welcome to